Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about bar chart. As you can see, I have created this beautiful plot in previous lesson, and here we have this charts, line, point, and smooth chart. As you can see, we have two variables here. We have x and y, but for bar charts we don't need two variables, we just need one variable, whether it's y or x. So, and here I want to use the diamond dataset in order to create my bar chart. So first of all, I just type here glimpse. So I want to know the columns in my dataset. I just type here diamonds and run this. You can see we have crowd, we have cat. So here I want to create my bar chart based on cat, and I just type here ggplot and type here data equal to diamond and put plus here, and here I want to use the bar chart geom bar, and here I just type here mapping static, and here I just need one variable. For example, I just type here x equal to cat. Easy, just run that. You can see I have created my first bar chart here, so now I can customize it. So I just after cat I just put here comma, for example color equal to cat. Run. You can see we have color here around this bars and here, so I want to fill this. So I just after that I just put comma, type here fill equal to cat and run. You can see my beautiful bar chart. You can see here we have fair, good, very good, premium, and ideal. So different colors based on cat. So that's it about the bar chart. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.